Hello and welcome back, Mr. Chang here. Chicken Chop Suey. Lovely jubbly. Here we have one chicken breast finely sliced, to which we're going to add some vegetable oil. This will stop it from sticking when it hits the wok. Some ground white pepper, some light soy sauce. The full recipe will be in the description box below. Adding some dark soy sauce. This is about a tablespoonful of dark soy sauce. Then we're going to go in with some sesame oil. Did you ever wonder why Chinese takeaway food is so shiny, glossy and delicious and lovely and tender? Well, this is the reason why they all use this marinade. This is oyster sauce, by the way, and this is corn flour, also known as cornstarch. A tiny amount of salt. We don't need much salt because the oyster sauce is already salty, as is the soy sauce. Use your hands to marinate the chicken. Don't worry about all this fancy stuff you see all the YouTubers doing on their cooking channels. There's not even a mess in their kitchen. They're full of dung. So for the sauce, this is dark soy sauce, followed by light soy sauce. Again, I'll put the full details in the description. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This is beautiful oyster sauce. I love it. There actually isn't much of a difference between the sauce and the marinade. There's a slight variation. There's the white pepper again, and this is Shaoxing wine, which didn't go into the marinade. If you're making Chinese takeaway or Chinese restaurant style food at home and you don't have Shaoxing wine, forget about it. Again, this is corn flour. The purpose this time is to thicken the sauce once it heats up. When we put the corn flour into the chicken, that was to marinate the chicken and make it more tender. 300 ml of cold water, and we'll give all this a good mix together. These videos are hard to make. If you've made it and you're still watching at this point, please give a thumbs up, comment or subscribe. Can I give a quick shout out to a new member last night, Tom. It's my 3rd member so far in this channel. When I get to 500 members, I am going to marry Mrs. Chang and invite the 500 members to my wedding. It only costs 99p. I'm not even joking. So when you're making this recipe at home, you don't have to use these veg at all. You can use any vegetable. It is, after all, chop suey, which literally means odds and ends or sorted pieces, mixed and broken pieces. So you can use anything, whatever you like. Although I would recommend using garlic. Without the garlic, you're not going to get that deep flavour. This is a hot wok. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Allow that to heat up and then throw in the chicken you have already marinated. You're going to cook this for 2 or 3 minutes. Please excuse the sound quality. I'm shouting over a hot wok. I don't have a microphone yet. I'm waiting until I get more members so I can upgrade my equipment and then get married as well. Add in the veg on top of the chicken just like this, and then chuck in your garlic. Give everything a good mix around. This is only going to take 2 minutes. Just about now we're going to add in the sauce and bring that to the boil. Now don't forget, if you're getting lost in this video, I'm making it quick here. I'm not like other professional YouTubers. I'll leave everything down in the description box. The full recipe. Oh, here we go with the bean sprouts. Sorry, chuck in some bean sprouts, a handful of bean sprouts. Give that a quick stir around like this. And then we're going to finish this recipe off by bringing it to the boil. And I think that's it. Ooh, lovely jubbly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe I might get one more member tonight. It'll be buzzing.